Mending is a project trying to get young men into sort of traditional mending skills. The idea actually came to me in quite a funny way. I was in Australia and I accidentally ripped my jeans in quite an embarrassing area. I was just like, I don't have the skills to sort of like fix the jeans myself. So I started thinking about where I'd possibly pick up these skills, and I realized there was a real lack of spaces sort of to do such. So I really investigated that, and sort of it came to me that this potential for my fourth year graphic design project. So I created 4 issues of different kits. Each of them takes a sort of unique mending skill and paired that with a very masculine image, such as going to the gym, football, and sort of combine these into issues such as pitches and stitches, muscles and mending. All with a really sort of like fun tone that really encourages men to get into these skills. Looking into stigmas and stuff, you can see how it's sort of been around for years and years, and it's just been sort of highlighted with consumerism and sort of fast fashion. So really breaking this down is a sort of wave that could come about. Patch Me Up was a free workshop that sort of like took the project into a real world. And we had a group of 15 primarily young men come take the tote bags that we created as starter kits and learn to embroider, sort of like picking up these basic skills. And it ended up really successful with everyone leaving with a kit with their name embroidered onto it. The appetite and sort of reception was just overwhelmingly positive. I expected like a few people to maybe sign up, and I thought I'd be sort of like dragging people to come along, their friends and family. But I ended up with a great reception. When people who couldn't make it asking me when like the second one was insane for me. Stems from a small issue of like my jeans, and then sort of like realizing how much of like clothing in general is like wasted because of things like this. And this is such like a lacking skill. Ability to like scale it up really inspires me throughout the year to keep going with this project.